friends, welcome to Meethi's Kitchen. Today we are making falafel, and falafel is like a Middle Eastern dish, and they really enjoy with any occasions and things like that. Even though there is no occasion, but they like to eat the snack or anything, like we cook any other snack in our country. So this is like international dish. So we have 2 cup of falafel, 2 cup of dry beans that I have soaked overnight. So you can see that beans is in very good soaked in the water. I have 2 tablespoons of lemon, 3 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, 2 medium size of onion, few tablespoons of cilantro. And here with the dry ingredients, I have salt 1 tablespoon. Each of them is 1 and 1 is half. So salt is 1 tablespoon, dry cumin powder roasted 1 tablespoon, cayenne pepper 1 tablespoon, black pepper 1 tablespoon, coriander, and also the spicy chili powder, and half tablespoon of baking soda. And that's it so far. So I can show you what we need to do in first step. So what we will do, we will make it in the 2 batch because it has to be crushed very good. So, and then we will add after that onion, and we will some of the ingredients we will let it go, all of them. Some of them we will save for the another half. We'll add lemon juice, cilantro, let it go half of the spices, and last we will add our all-purpose flour. So now we can start. So friends, you can see that our falafel mix is ready. So now we will keep it couple hours in refrigerator so it get very good incorporate, and then we will show you after couple hours. So let me put it in the refrigerator. So friends, now you can see our falafel mix is ready to make the falafel. And what I will do, I will make the small patties. So this is can be cooked very thoroughly. So friends, you can see that our falafel mix is really very good to mix, and also we have kept like couple hours in the refrigerator. So now we will start making our falafel. And I like to make this like small patties so it can cook very thorough, and especially, I like that recipe, especially with the vegetarian. It's really good recipes because it's a lot of protein who don't eat other protein items. So this is really very good for them. And I have in my home, my daughter do not eat meat, so this recipe is perfectly fitting with us. We have to let it cook very good one side. So you can see that it turns very well. Any size, any big, small, you can make it. But this is like perfect. And falafel you can eat with the hummus, or if you like any chutneys or things like that. But I like hummus is better. Friends, so you can see that our falafel is ready, and it's really very tasty and delicious recipes. But like especially we do eat little bit spicy, so I have added some more red chili powder. But if you like it, please follow that, and you can see that it's turning so well. So please enjoy these recipes, you will like it. Sometimes people like to eat with hummus or anything, but I like with some our Indian sauce, chili sauce or mango sauce, or any way you can eat that. Or you can put it in the pita bread and you can make a sandwich with it. So there is lot of ways to eat that. And I hope you enjoy these recipes. Until then, I'll come back again with the simple recipes. Have a blessed day.